To this newscast now by bringing you the latest coronavirus updates from the United States. The pandemic continues to escalate in the US as the country recorded more than 68,400 cases in the last 24 hours alone. This is the highest single-day surge recorded anywhere in the world. The US has now reported nearly 3.7 million cases, and the country has witnessed a resurgence of cases in the so-called Sun Belt, stretching across the south from Florida to California. 5 major states of Arizona, Texas, California, Florida and Oklahoma continue to see a massive surge, with at least 39 states pushing back their reopening plans. The surge in coronavirus cases have also led to a shortage of hospital beds in these states. But with a new record daily caseload every day, U.S. states have now issued a conflicting order on face masks. Colorado and Arkansas are among a growing list of U.S. states requiring face coverings in public. This is in direct contrast to their previous stance, where they treated the wearing of masks as a matter of personal choice. With a record surge in the U.S. hospitals under a complete strain, the U.S. president continues to advocate for his administration's handling of the pandemic. Listen in.
When you think of it, we are all set up that as we get the vaccine or therapeutic, and we're set up militarily, we're going to be delivering it in record time. It's all set to move. We put an investment up front, and we have logistical people, generals, great people. They're going to be delivering this all over the country as soon as we have it, and we've made tremendous progress. You've been reading about it.
Meanwhile, amid tensions with the president and his administration, the top infectious expert in the U.S., Dr. Anthony Fauci, interacted with Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg on the country's response as well as a race for a vaccine. Listen in.
At this point, it is clear that the trajectory in the U.S. is significantly worse than many other countries, and that our government and this administration have been considerably less effective in handling this.
If everything works out the way we hope and we don't get any unpredictable potholes and bumps in the road, we should know as we get into the mid to late fall, early winter, but probably late fall, whether we have candidates that really are safe and effective. And I hope and anticipate that we will have one or more. If that's the case, by the time we get to the end of this year, the beginning of calendar year 2021, we may have vaccine one or more candidate that is actually safe and effective.